You're cruising on the highway and come up behind a slower vehicle. Passing on the highway is easy, but you still need to do it safely and correctly. Highways in Kansas typically have 2 or more lanes in each direction. Before moving over, check all your mirrors. Then look over your shoulder to clear your blind spot, especially for faster cars already in the passing lane. Signal left. Always signal before changing lanes, even on the highway. It gives others time to react. Now, change lanes smoothly and increase your speed slightly, not to race, but to safely and efficiently pass. You shouldn't be in the left lane longer than needed. Pass with purpose, then move back. Don't merge back until you can see the entire front of the car you passed in your rearview mirror. Once you see them clearly behind you, signal right and return to the right lane. Give space. Don't cut them off. Don't try to pass if you're too close to the car ahead. There's a lot of traffic in the left lane. Or, if you're about to exit soon, plan ahead. You don't want to weave or rush. Passing on the highway is all about awareness, timing, and courtesy. Stay alert. Stay smooth. Continue to pass another vehicle until the complete front of the passed vehicle is visible in your rearview mirror. When is it safe to pass another vehicle? Whenever signs and/or roadway markings permit passing other vehicles.